Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Google Pixel 9. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. And now we can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.